Hello guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can upload video on Facebook page. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to search in Google FB Creator Studio and then open the Creator Studio. Here you need to select the page on which you want to add the video. First, I need to click on unselect all, and then I simply need to click on the page on which I want to upload a video. So one page is selected now, so I need to go to this button, upload video, select single video, select any video. I'm going to select any random video for a sample. So now this video is going to be uploaded on this Facebook page. I simply need to add the title from here. Then I need to add the description. You can write description by yourself. I simply need to copy and paste so I can show you everything fast. So the video language I selected is English. Now here is the option of optimization. You can optimize your video, and here is the option of thumbnail. I simply need to add the add image. You can select from video frame also. Then I need to create caption. If you want, you can create polls for your video, tracking for your video, 360 direct tools. So I simply need to click on the next button. Here you can premiere your video, schedule your video, backdate, save as draft. I simply need to click on schedule because I want to schedule this video on November 8 p.m. Once I complete all these steps, I simply need to click on schedule. So by following these steps, you can easily upload any video on Facebook page. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.